We're really going fast.
How are you?
Doing well.
Hey! Oh, yeah, sweet. Sweet, that is cool.
I don't know if it's the right size.
Very nice. No, I think that's really close. I think that'll be perfect. Very cool.
Yeah, and this was my grandpa's.
Oh, very cool. And in fact, we got the sign. We'd like to get a picture of you guys putting it up. If you
That'd be awesome.
So, very cool, Rennie. Nice. That is very cool. Look, I'm putting it with that. We're having snowball. So I'm going to do that later. We need this other stuff. Now this national park train. Oh, you look at this. This is this patio. See that? Makes it beautiful. I'm going to put this truck right here now. Okay. And
There's
let's,
the Union Pacific and CMFA.
check this out. So you can see, Jeff, we actually got up there, we got the hooks underneath there for the so if you move this away,
There comes the Milwaukee Road.
Rudy, how you doing? What you got there?
There's a foghorn. Across the bridge, right past the White House.
It's good. It's going to keep coming this way.
The Milwaukee Road. Yeah.
Right by there.
That's the part you get?
Yeah, man. That's good.
There's sirens and fire trucks. You see there's glowing fire in that building right there.
Here comes the train.
Does it have a locomotive with it?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I got
Here it goes. It's going to the tunnel. Where do you think it's coming out?
They come out over here.
Well, but the kid size ones? Oh, yeah, those are the old ones. Yeah. So you got new ones that fit. Oh, I didn't know. Yeah. I like that new one.
You got the switch. You switching tracks there.
Yeah, as well. It's good.
Okay, so, yeah, how do you want to do it? I don't want whatever. So here's this, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it up here, and, you know, I kinda like for you guys to hold it up, or Jeff, or Remy, or, yeah, why don't
You and I can put it up. We can take a picture of us holding it. And maybe Jim and I can put it up and Randy can stand here.
Yeah, in the middle, yeah. So get a picture of these guys first.
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
And then stand in the middle and Jeff and I will put it up.
Yeah.
Go ahead, get in the middle there, bud. Okay. Okay.
Good.
Got it?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Got it.
Sweet.
All right.
Yeah.
It's being christened.
Thanks, Remy. Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you.
Very cool. I just,
Very cool.
Hey.
yeah, I just chuckled because I remember telling you just a couple months ago.
Yep. That's awesome.
Yeah, so I'm running good. I'm running good.
Gotcha. That's got the repeater. The other one's, oh, this is really nice.
Oh, wow.
What I'm doing now?
Which part?
Dude, so it's got Mount Rainier, Yosemite, Arches, Rocky Mountain, and Glacier. And each of the ones, so Northern Pacific's got Mount Rainier, Southern Pacific's got Yosemite, Union Pacific's got Arches, Great Northern is Glacier, and Rio Grande is the Rocky Mountain. And then you get the Cabusas National Park too. Dude, very cool. Yeah, I think that's a good call. You know, I would just, yeah, I would run all these. Yeah, in fact, this Pennsylvania, before used to have a locomotive here, probably. Yeah. But this one, yeah, you probably don't want to run that. I just want to go down. Is that okay?
They see they carry portable parts.
Well, you know how to do
Yeah.
this. So check this out, Ken.
So I worked at
National
National
Parks.
Park, and every year you have to
Near
be fired.
Pacific, Glacier,
And lots of times it happened on fire tax, you know, but they put a big pan of gasoline in there or diesel or something, you know, flammable liquids. And then they'd light it on fire. Then you had to put it out with a handheld 20-pound fire extinguisher. Yeah. I've been to a lot of fire extinguishers. I roughnecked when I got out of high school, and I did that for 3 or 4 years, and then they built a gas plant in this field that I was drilling in, and I roughnecked. Well, the rigs went away, and I went to work for a Roscoe.
And then
He would come by and check on, you know, some of the what they said. Hire an operator, go to the plant, get over there, fill out an application. So that's when I went to look at the I was the head operator of one of them. And I went from there contract safety. In the Southwest Wyoming had this he would provide breathing equipment, you know, gas
on the Milwaukee Road.
and monitoring
Here
equipment.
comes the Union Pacific and Santa
corporate
Fe.
detectors and supervision, you know, to
There's
watch.
a Caltrain and a Metro train right there.
Make sure guys didn't get it. Because it was 18% H2S, and it only takes 1/10 of 1% to kill you in a breath. It's 18%. It takes 1/10 of 1% to kill you in a breath. So it's really, really high concentration. But because I did that, I worked in a lot of gas plants and refineries. Anywhere that there was the gas, you know, they had to push the gas. And I worked in,
check out Remy just
out in the production
his
field.
grandpa's-
Yeah,
the
it was-
microtrain national park
It was,
set microtrain.
cool.
So Rafino is a company out of Canada. I like them. They make
Anything they do, I got really good local education. And then
so
The Union Pacific in Santa Fe.
my late wife had MS.
yeah, Kyle does microtrain.
She had to have the insurance.
How many engines are there on
There are 3 locomotives on there.
I went from contractor.
Actually, that's the freight cars, actually.
But anyway, when she passed away, I got
13, huh? Good work, bud.
was really, really helpful. They sold that place.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, that's cool. Jackson, that was really good. I like the white
National Park.
That's pretty epic.
Sorry.
Putting that car back on the tracks and coupling the train together. And by the way, I switched out the observation car with these coaches. Got a different one this time. With the one that has the observation deck, just like the real one.
Next month, he's just running one of the club trains.
The Milwaukee
And, but
Road.
there are some things you can run. There's space.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Also,
That's cool.
where did you put my
Okay, see all
the
this
other
graffiti
one?
here?
Oh, it's on the It's right about, it's right here.
That's all the details on the one.
Wait, is this my
Dude,
phone?
you got it down.
Yeah, that was last time.
You want to give you the whole spiel? Okay, because you've never been here. Did you get a free sticker?
I'm just gonna keep
Dude, Adam, you're slacking.
I forgot. I got
Come on, man.
Oh, dang it.
Hey, you're here.
Yep. What's up?
Fine. I'm running doing good. I'm running the Milwaukee Road train again. And here comes the Union Pacific and Santa Fe mixed freight train.
Yep, looks like it.
Come in, you can help us. Come in, you can help
About
us.
50 steel miles of track, 220 switches, all the tracks are connected to
Excuse me. Here comes the Union Pacific and Santa Fe. Yeah, train meet. Yeah, upgraded it. These are the same cars from last time. Oh no.
He programs
Just shut it out.
He takes apart and programs it to the build. All these things you can set.
Just short it out. Blocking the railroad crossing.
Yeah, it's so much better video. You know, it's real, right?
And the trains have stopped. Just short it out.
And so, for instance, this is cool. I just retired from HB. All my engineer buddies are still there. Use the original 1925 drawing.
You got like 0 power.
Some of the stations around the area, like the same
Yeah.
use the
Fail.
original one, put it all in CAD. Print it out 3D.
Did somebody hit track power? What happened? We all dead? Where's your train at? Is it moving?
It looked like back in the day, the waiting area.
No one's moving.
Yeah, track power just died.
And a lot more of these UI things.
Lost power to the tracks.
Track power, spotlights.
Jim.
And total work of art.
Local track power dead.
I tried everything I do.
I can't hear a short or anything, but nothing.
So did somebody try to cycle the power?
No, I haven't done it yet. I gotta rest my arm.
So,
Called me up. I mean, I'm hours to do on there, not too strong. Well, I've been exposed to cold. One of my employees asked, so I told my boss, he says, "Where's your retirement, Ted?" He says,
treasure hunt kind of stuff.